Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English listening practice. Today's topic is explain your goals to your parents. Talking to your parents about your goals can sometimes feel difficult. Many students feel nervous when they try to explain their dreams and plans. In this lesson, you will listen to several real-life situations where someone explains their goals to their parents. These situations will help you learn useful English phrases, natural conversations, and polite communication. So relax, listen carefully, and imagine yourself in these situations. Let's begin. Situation 1. Starting the conversation. Rahul wants to talk to his parents about his future. Conversation. Mom, Dad, can I talk to you for a few minutes? Of course, Rahul. What would you like to talk about? I want to discuss my future goals with you. That sounds important. Tell us what you are thinking.
Recently, I have been thinking a lot about my future.
What kind of plans do you have? I want to focus on improving my skills and building a strong career. That's good to hear. Your support is very important to me. We are always here to support you. Situation 2. Explaining your dream. Now Rahul explains his dream more clearly. Mom, Dad, I want to work hard and achieve something meaningful in my life. That is a wonderful goal. I want to develop my skills and learn as much as possible. Learning is always valuable. Yes, and I believe continuous learning will help me grow. What kind of skills do you want to develop? Communication skills, problem-solving skills, and professional knowledge. Those skills are very important. Yes, they will help me succeed in the future. Situation 3. Parents asking questions. Parents often ask questions to understand better. Rahul, how do you plan to achieve your goals? Improve my abilities step by step. That sounds good. I will also practice discipline and time management. Those habits are very important for success. Yes, I believe consistency is the key to success. That is a very mature way of thinking. Situation 4. Parents expressing concerns. Sometimes parents worry about their children's future. Rahul, we support your dreams, but we also worry about your future. I'll completely understand your concern. We want to make sure you choose a stable path. That is also my priority. Really? Yes, I want to build a stable and successful career. I know it may take time, but I am ready to work hard. That's very responsible. Situation 5. Showing your preparation. Rahul explains how he is preparing for his future. I have already started preparing for my goals. What are you doing to prepare? I am studying regularly and improving my skills. That is good. I also watch educational videos and read useful books. Reading books is a great habit. Yes, it helps me learn new ideas and perspectives. I also try to stay disciplined every day. That will help you a lot in the future. Situation 6. Asking for parents' support. Now, Rahul asks for support. Mom, Dad, I also need your guidance. Of course, Rahul. Your experience can help me make better decisions. We will always guide you whenever you need help. That means a lot to me. We want to see you succeed in life. Your encouragement motivates me to work harder. Situation 7. Building trust. Rahul's father gives him advice. Rahul, remember that success takes time. Yes, I understand that. You must stay patient and consistent. I will do my best. Also remember to keep learning. I believe learning never stops. If you stay focused and disciplined, you will achieve your goals. Thank you for your advice. Situation 8. Ending the conversation. The conversation ends with encouragement. Rahul, we are proud that you are thinking seriously about your future. Thank you for believing in me. We will always support you. Your support gives me confidence. Just remember to work hard and stay focused. I promise. Here are some useful sentences you can use. I would like to talk about my future plans. I have been thinking about my goals. My goal is to build a successful career. I am working hard to improve my skills. I understand your concerns. Your support means a lot to me. I will stay focused and disciplined. Practice these sentences to improve your English speaking and listening. Conclusion. Talking to your parents about your goals is an important part of growing up. When you communicate clearly and respectfully, it becomes easier for them to understand your dreams. Always remember, be honest, be responsible, work hard. With patience and determination, you can achieve your goals. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing English every day, and I will see you in the next lesson.